This is a quick video to show our ECU lid removal screws in operation. We have here an EDC 16 Renault ECU. We use brake cleaner in a spray can like this to melt the glue around the outside of the ECU. You can use a heat gun on this area here to do the same job. We just use brake cleaner because you don't need any electric or anything to do this. We also normally only use 3 screws this end, as this is a heat sink, and sometimes when you remove it from this side it pulls the circuit board with it, which can cause cracking. So up to here I've removed the original little screws. I then replace them with our lid removal screws. Just screw them in. Like I said, I only use 3 this end. The kit comes with 6, so if you decide you want to use heat and raise it evenly, you're more than welcome to. So put the screws in, just nip them until they're just touching the aluminium case below. Then apply brake cleaner to the gap between the 2 cases all the way around, and then it's just a case of gently adding a bit of pressure to each of the screws, like that. Then add a little bit more brake cleaner. You'll see the case has started to raise, the lid has. A little bit more pressure. It's just a case of a little bit of pressure across. Don't go too much or you will strip the threads out of the casing. As you can see now, we started to get a gap between the lid and the ECU, so we add a little bit more fluid. It's coming quite easily now. Can put quite a few more turns. You can see the gap opening up quite nicely. And you get to the point where the screws just go loose, as you can see. Nice big gap around. I will just keep screwing these until it's to the point where you can get your fingers under the ECU, and then we'll just gently raise the casing up and it will come off. You can now see we've got Nice big gap. Still, it's a little bit tight still, so we'll put a bit more brake cleaner around the outer edge. A little bit more pressure on these bolts. Should now be able to get my hand in there and just gently lever the side up. You can hear the silicone just pulling off, and there we have it. One ECU opened. It will just spray a little bit on that glue just to melt that, and it will, there we go. One ECU safely removed without any damage to the lid.